Hi, good morning. So today we'll be having cortex structural rhinoplasty, but this time revision. This is a hard case because panglimang surgery niya na po ito. Itong gagawin ko ngayon is panglimang surgery niya na. So I hope I can do better. No? Sabi ko nga, palagi kong sinasabi, the first time, yes, always the best time. Yung unang surgery, yun dapat maganda na kaagad kung kaya natin. Well, siyempre, wala naman doktor na gustong magkaroon ng complication sa patient. The doctor always wants the best, no? Walang doktor na gusto magka-complication, gusto ng mga cosmetic surgeon or any doctor na always the best for the patient, no? But sometimes, siyempre po, hindi natin maiiwasan, may nangyayari po, no? Pwede magkaroon ng infection because this is a foreign body. Uh, so I hope we can make it better this time, no? Sana. I'm going to use irradiated dermis and irradiated rib para less ang tissue reaction, no? Kasi these are hindi naman autologous, but irradiated, no? Hindi siya sa elastic. So I hope uh, mapaganda natin tong kaso na to. So I'll see you at the OR. Thank you po. So we're done for today. This is revision rhinoplasty. This is her fifth surgery. So napakahirap po. Alam po ninyo kasi ang pag-oopera po, especially sa ilong, habang parami po ng parami ang opera, pahirap po ng pahirap. No? Katulad na sinasabi ko palagi, first time is always the best time. So panglima, if you will imagine po, yung pinagdaanan na po ng kanyang tissue, yung kanya pong unang surgery, silicone rhinoplasty, then nagkaroon ng problema, then tinanggal, nag-rest, then pinalitan po, then nagkaroon po ulit ng problema, then tinanggal po ulit, then pinalitan po ulit ng iba. So, this is the fifth surgery po. No? Yung fourth surgery niya is they placed conchal cartilage po, yung galing po sa tenga na cartilage. Yun po ang inilagay. Ang problem lang po, when we use cartilage for the bridge, lumiliit po yun in time. So, parang nakulangan po siya kasi masyadong mababa. Then yung projection ng tip po is hindi rin po ganong kataas. So, she opted to have another surgery po. So, nagpunta po siya sa atin. Ang inoffer ko po sa kanya dahil she had 3 surgeries, dalawang infection or dalawang problem. So, I offered is irradiated rib and irradiated dermis. Ito po yon, no? We use the irradiated rib and irradiated dermis. The dermis for the bridge. Ito po, nilagyan po natin for the bridge and irradiated rib para po umangat yung kanyang tip. As you can see, ang ganda po ng bridge and ang ganda po ng tip. So that is with the use of our irradiated dermis and irradiated rib. So for problematic patients, no? Ang last resort po palagi natin is yung autologous, which is the rib cartilage na coming from the patient. So, ayaw niya po muna mag-resort doon kasi it's going to be another scar doon po sa kanyang sa may chest. So, ang ginamit po natin for this case is irradiated rib and irradiated dermis. So, I will see you po sa kanyang follow-up. See you soon.